Hi, today I'm review Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application and in the search bar we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should click to open the app, click yes to agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now we can see here information about our battery health, and in my case it's good. So also we can see here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version, model of our device, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.